Hi, it's Heather and I'm going to teach you how to do some embroidery stitches so you can get a design like this, like I did here on the hair of this little mermaid. Okay, so for supplies, you're going to need the piece you want to embroider, some sort of design that you want to trace, and a little piece of white tissue paper. So first thing you're going to do is take a pen or marker or whatever, and you're going to trace the design you want to make. For this one, this is the hair on a mermaid, so I'm just going to do some simple lines, and then once you have your design traced, you're going to take it and you're going to pin it to the piece you want to put it on. Try to just line it up. You can kind of see, line it up where you want it to be and then pin it in place. Now once you start stitching, you won't need to pin anymore because the thread will hold it. So once you stitch it in place, and you have your design, and then you're going to take the thread, and you can use any color thread, but a contrasting color is going to look better. And then you're pretty much just going to go, starting in the back, you're going to go up and down following your line that you made. And it's going to tear the tissue paper just a little bit, but that's okay. So you go up and down, and you want to make one continuous line. So after you go down, then you come out and you come up a little ways from the stitch, if you can see that. See how I'm a little ways out from the stitch? You come up there, and then you're going to go down in the hole for the one before it. And see, then you have like a solid line. So do that for your entire design, whether it be a straight line or a swirly line or something more complicated, even like an eye. So try to stay on your pattern. Just keep going up and down. See how it's coming along? And then I'm going to go ahead and finish this line out so I can show you what it looks like after you tear the tissue paper off. Because with the tissue paper, you basically just pull it right off, and then it tears pretty easily from the thread. So once you get your whole line done, then all you have to do is just gently tear it and see how it peels right off. And if you get a little piece left behind, you can sometimes use a pair of tweezers to get it out. And then you're left with your design embroidered nicely. And like I said, that works for, that's the same technique I use to do these little swirlies on this mermaid. And then I also have this one here. It's got little swirls in her hair too. And then also the scales on her tail. So there you go.